apps in Django works as detachable apps, which basically means that if you delete an app, your Django app should, or your Django project should work still fine. But that's not what we have done in our project. In our project, we use the Urls.py to access this particular file. So if something happens wrong in our home app, then the entire site is just going to die. So we have to make sure that we have to create a detachable app. So what we're going to do is we're going to get back to our VS Code, and what we're using is we are using the main urls.py to access this file. So, or access this app. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a individual urls.py app inside the home app, and then we're going to move all the settings over there. So let's see how we can do that one. So first thing, what you have to do is inside the home app here, we're going to create a new file. I'm going to call this as urls.py. Okay, and we'll close everything else. And inside this, we need to specify some import. So it's going to be like from Django.urls, we're going to import path. Okay, and then the next thing is that I want to show the views.py. So we're going to say from dot import views. Okay, so now we can use the URL patterns. URL patterns, and just hit enter. And inside this, we're going to set up a path. That path is going to be for now blank. That's the home page. And then we're going to say views.home. Okay, so I'll save that. So now we can go to the main site, urls.py over here, and we're going to change some stuff. So the first thing is I'm going to get rid of this line over here. Okay, and I'm also going to get rid of this line. So that's back to default. So here in the import, I'm going to import a include option. And in the next line, we're going to say path. And then we're going to include home.urls. Let's save that. Let's get back to the browser and hit refresh. You can see that our home page still works fine. So what we have done here is we have simply created a new urls.py file in the homes app, so that if the entire home app is deleted, it's not going to affect our main Django project.